Hello internet people and welcome back to my humble channel. For this video, I'll be doing a slightly chaotic unboxing of Bangtan's B Essential album and later on the deluxe album as well. So I actually bought this through an online seller slash passerby to save on shipping since Weaver Shop has a crazy shipping fee to the PH. And yes, I joined a photocard pooling to finally get my bias JK. Initially, I didn't want to join the pooling since it seems like cheating, and this was pretty anticlimactic, but I rarely get PCs from the McNair line, so yeah, hey. Yeah, I was so stressed here because I did not realize that the Billboard and Grammy nominee sticker were on the plastic. I had thought it was already on the cover itself. So yeah, ayusin ko yan mamaya. Moving on. The photo book is also quite thick. Ooh, and yay to 7 photo cards. Hi Junie, Yoongi, Jiminy, Jungkooki, Sunshine Hobie, Taehyungi, and Seokjini. Borahae, I love you all. So here's a quick scan of the photo book to see their handsome faces and superb concepts. Okay, Jimin. Oh, we have a poster and the CD, of course. Alright, so the poster is similar to the postcard and main photo of B album. I do wish it wasn't folded. Alright, time to fix up those damned stickers. Okay, slowly, Jebal. Please work. Okay. And sticking it up, sticking it slowly. Alright. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Now for the Grammy nominee sticker. I still hate the Grammys, by the way. Okay. Okay, aligning them and oop. Alright, this looks neat. Yay. Lastly, let's place the JK PC inside the holder. Hi JK. Yay, alrighty. So next here is just a time-lapse of my unboxing of B Deluxe Edition from Weaver Shop as well. Deluxe Edition has much more content and I just love the making book here. Though yes, it's also much pricier than the Essential version. To be honest, I bought the Essential Edition for the stickers and, well, because Big Hit said it's essential. So I'll be shutting up now. Enjoy the rest of the video.